So, we're gonna see how we're gonna see the things we needed for this project to be, well up and running. When you take a good look at the project we are willing to work within, I mean, the copy of the project we want to do, you can see that it is very, very cute and very, very interesting. See, very, very cute and very powerful. So this UI designing can be achieved with some packages we're gonna add from the NuGet. So first thing first, you have to go to the Smart VPN Lit. Just right click on that. Then you go to Manage NuGet Packages. Wait for it to load. Then go to the Browse section. Now, from the Browse section, just try and search for Guna. Guna, Guna. Just search for Guna. So we see we have Guna charts, WinForm. That is not what we need. This is what we need. Guna UI WinForm.net. Click on that. Now come here. Make sure you are installing from the latest table. Click on install. Wait for it to do the outputs from the console. Always make sure you click on OK and accept. Then let it install from the API from nuget.org, and it's going to install the package in addition to your project. And this package will be added to your reference folder or your reference DLLs right here. So there is a problem here we are facing here. So that means you are trying to install this package into a project that targets Net Framework 4.7.2, but the package does not contain any assembly references or content file that are compatible with the framework. So it means the current framework is actually not working. So let's see, we don't have it here. So we can simply do a troubleshoot with that. So let's just go to we just have to go to project, click on this Smart VPN Lit properties. Then what we're gonna do from here is select the version, and I am gonna choose so with the 4.7, let's go back to the NuGet and let's use the 2.0. Let's try that one first before we change the package name. It is very, very important to get to know what you are working with. So let's go back. It didn't work, so you just have to come here. Let's choose Net Framework 4.8. Click on yes. It's just gonna reload the project for you. So let's go back again to the NuGet manage package. Then we search for Guna, just like that. Let it load, and it's actually gonna bring it up. Not something fancy. I just want to make sure we know what we are doing. So this is telling you that the Windows form, the version, and everything, looks amazing. This is very okay. So let's just click on install. Let's first, okay, so we selected that, so let's just click on install, click on OK, click on accept. Let's see if we get any error. Right, so let's see. Our Guna is really installing. Now our problem is now being fixed because we are using the latest package of Visual Studio. You just have to make sure your package you are using is really compatible with the version we want to use for this project. It's very, very important. Yes. Right. So I believe most people will be facing challenges with a package here. So I have prepared I have prepared one package. I have prepared the Guna DLL file inside a folder, which you can get it from the resources tab or the resources section. You will get this DLL. So we're just going to go through to install this manually. But before we do that, let's just return back to our previous framework, that is 4.7.2. Just return back to that previous one. So just bring up my form just like this, and I would like to collapse every control I have here inside my toolbox, just to let you know what I'm really talking about. So this is how basically you have to do. Just try to take everything down like this. Right. So the first thing you have to do is just to create a new field or a tab. Then I'm just going to call this Guna. Just like this. Yeah, so I have a Guna tab here. Then I go to my folder, VPN folder, drag and drop this Guna DLL into the Guna section. Well, this is going to load all the Guna controls for me. Well, if yours really works when you were trying to install it from the NuGet package, that's really fine. But if it didn't work, you just have to follow mine. Just have to upload it whilst how I was guiding you to do so. Now we have to add the Guna to our reference here as well. So just have to right click on the references, add references, then you just go to the browse, then you click on browse. I have it saved in my music folder, VPN project. There you go. So I'm just going to add it up. Just click on OK, then you will get a Guna reference right here. Good, congratulations, you have your Guna project added. Now you can go ahead and then add a Guna button, Guna gradient, Guna tools, and all that is just gonna work perfectly just fine. Alright, so on our next video, we're just gonna see how we can start up with the project UI designing. I believe if you have any problem, please don't hesitate to leave it below the question and answer tab, and iSoft Original will guide you to solve every little problem you will be facing. Right, guys? Okay, thank you very much, guys, and let's meet on our next lesson. Have a nice day.